Now today we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of acids. Means properties of acids. Before discussing properties of acids, first we discuss about answer of questions. Previous class question over there. Write two names of natural indicators. Indicators already you know that a substance or things which change its color in acid and base called indicator. Now natural indicators you see turmeric, purple cabbage and litmus. These are the natural indicators. After that question over there, universal indicator and colors of universal indicator of range 3 to 8. Universal indicator is a mixture of indicators which changes its color according to the pH value of substance or according to the pH value. Now let us see 3 to 8. If any acid or base pH value is 3, then that color will be, means universal indicator color will be change in red color. If 5 is there, orange red. If 5.5 is there, orange. If 6 is there, orange yellow. If 7 to 7.5 is there, greenish yellow. And if 8 is there, then it change in green colors. Right now let us start to discuss about properties of acids. Means taste, litmus test. Taste means that taste, sweet or sour. Litmus test, reaction with metals, reaction with non-metals. Right now we will discuss here. Okay, let us start. Properties of acids are: first property, taste. Taste of acid and their solution have sour taste. Sour taste means खट्टा जिसे बोलते हैं. Corrosive nature of, beta you see concentrated mineral acids. For example, sulfuric acid is there, nitric acid there. Sulfuric acid formula all of you know or not know? H2SO4. Nitric HNO3. Attack human tissues, cloth, paper and metals. The reaction of these means they react very fast. And what happened? Beta, when they react, you take example, when sulfuric acid, that concentrated sulfuric acid cuts your cloth, produces black spot on wood. Sometimes what happen? When in lab experiment is going on there, you see when 1 drop, 2 drop of sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid fall on surface of the lab, you see if any dust material is there, it react with dust material and you feel that their boiling is there. Right now, just like a phenol is there. Right now, after that, in solution means when you dissolve acids in water, they give hydronium ion. They give hydronium ion or hydrogen ions. Hydronium ion means H3O plus or hydrogen ion H plus is there. Example you take, when hydrochloric acid react with water, or when hydrochloric means strong acid react with water, and keep in your mind, strong acid are completely ionized in solution. Ionized in water. Why it ionized? Because they have maximum hydronium ion. Right now all of you common topic, HCl when hydrogen chloride react with water, it gives hydronium ion and chloride ion. Sulfuric acid react with water, it gives hydronium ion and sulfate ion. It means what? All acids in aqueous solution is solution in water, release free hydronium ion. Weak acids ionize, but the process of ionization is very slow, but they ionize it. Right now, example you take acetic acid vinegar is there, simple vinegar is there. Acetic acid when react with water or when dissolved with water, it gives hydronium ion and acetate ion. Right now, carbonic acid H2CO3 with water, hydronium ion and bicarbonate ion. Right now, and see both these means weak acids when ionized. Right now, then that reaction, you see which type of symbol is there here? Reversible reaction is there, means again hydronium ion and acetate ion converted in the form of acetic acid and water. Action of indicator, beta all of blue litmus paper convert in red. Blue litmus paper converted in red, and when it converted in red, that will be acid, means acid. That means acid and their solution turn blue litmus paper, you see this point, turn blue litmus in red, and acid their solution turn yellow methyl orange to red. Acid and their solution have no effect of phenolphthalein. There is no any change. If the phenolphthalein there no any changes there, then that will be acid. Now next point you see reaction of metals. Means when acid react with metal, what gives? Have you any idea? Acid react metal produce salt and hydrogen gas. Means when acid react with any metal, it gives salt and hydrogen gas. A good example in lab, in which way you prepare hydrogen gas in lab. All of sulfuric acid is there and zinc granules are there. Right now, in lab, the process of production of hydrogen, in which way produce hydrogen gas, simple process is there, that you take zinc granules, right now, and sulfuric acid, and when sulfuric acid and zinc granules react to each other, they produce hydrogen gas. Examples you see, when magnesium react with sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, it gives aqueous solution of magnesium sulfate and release hydrogen gas. Zinc is same way, zinc sulfate, hydrogen gas. Magnesium, if hydrochloric acid there, magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas is there. Potassium is there, it react with sulfuric acid, potassium sulfate and hydrogen gas is there. After that, second point, reaction with carbonates and hydrogen carbonate. Carbonate means CO3, sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate, calcium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate. All these are the carbonates or bicarbonates are there. Means when acid decompose, carbonates and hydrogen carbonate to give the corresponding salts and carbon dioxide gas. In simple way you write, when carbonates or bicarbonates react with acids, they give salt and carbon dioxide gas. Example, you take example of sodium carbonate. When solid sodium carbonate react with aqueous solution of HCl, means hydrogen chloride, it gives sodium salt. Sodium salt means sodium chloride, and this sodium chloride is common salt. This salt is common salt. Water and carbon dioxide. Calcium carbonate, you see calcium carbonate react with hydrochloric acid, calcium chloride, carbon dioxide with water. Sodium carbonate with sulfuric acid, sodium sulfate, carbon dioxide. Calcium carbonate with sulfuric acid, it gives calcium sulfate, aqueous solution of calcium sulfate, water and carbon dioxide. Sodium bicarbonate. In bicarbonate, what we do? Suppose sodium carbonate is there, Na2CO3, then what? Sodium bicarbonate. One sodium we remove from there and we add hydrogen, then NaHCO3. This is the formula of sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate, KSCO3. Means when sodium bicarbonate react with sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid, then what? Sodium sulfate or sodium chloride common salt, water is there, and carbon dioxide gas released. Next, when acid react with metal oxide, beta acid react with metal oxide, again it gives salt and water. Means what you observe, reaction with metal, reaction with carbonate, reaction with hydrogen carbonate, reaction with metal oxide, all gives salt. Right now all gives salt. Means simple, you see that they neutralize. What you already you know that when acid and base react to each other, when acid and base react to each other, means when acid and base react to each other, they neutralize, and they neutralize, that neutral form is salt is there. Here carbonate react, salt, metal react, salt, bicarbonate react, salt, and when metal oxide react, it also gives salt. Example, calcium oxides, solid calcium oxide, when react with hydrochloric acid, it gives calcium chloride and water. Zinc oxide, zinc chloride, water. When zinc oxide react with sulfuric acid, zinc sulfate, water is there. Aluminium oxide, what will give? When aluminium oxide react with, solid aluminium oxide react with sulfuric acid, aluminium sulfate is there and water is there. Right now these are there. After that, all of you see, a question is there that are all hydrogen containing compounds are acid? Means where hydrogen is there, that substance is acid, that liquid is acid, that solution is acid. Have you any idea? Beta, maximum means maximum substance, you see, maximum solutions are there right now, or maximum liquids are there. There you see that where hydrogen is there, all are acids. Right now, means all of you seen here that all of you seen that all acids gives the hydrogen gas when reacted with most metal. Thus it appears that all acid must contain hydrogen. Downside, you see this activity, in this activity you will see that you will get idea that maximum hydrogen containing compounds are acids. Right now, next point, you see, how do acid react with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate? Metal carbonate means sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate, calcium carbonate. Right now, metal hydrogen carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate. But backside, all of you cite when reaction of metal carbonate or reaction of carbonate or hydrogen carbonate. Beta, you see that when acid react with carbonates and bicarbonates, what they give? Salt and water with carbon dioxide gas. Means now in which way they react? Question is here, how do acid react with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate? Beta, here one activity is given there, and this activity you see, you read it, you will get that in which way they react. Or you see it, your target is the reaction of sodium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate with dilute acid. Right now, process is given there. What apparatus you need? Boiling tube is there, delivery tube will be there. Right now, in which way you do? Question is given, process is given there. What process is given? Take about 0.5 gram sodium carbonate. 5 gram means 0.5 gram solid is there in a boiling tube, and you take 2 or 3 ml fresh prepared lime water in test tube. Right now, after that, you set according to given figure. You add near about 2 ml dilute hydrochloric acid right now in boiling test tube, and after that you see the reaction right now. And you know that when you see this reaction, you see when reaction is there, it evolves gas, and when this gas passes through lime water with the help of delivery tube, what happens? Have you any idea? The milky color of lime water disappear, and when milky color of lime water is disappear, it means what? Dilute sulfuric acid and dilute hydrochloric acid decompose carbonates and hydrogen carbonates with the liberation of carbon dioxide gas. Means what happen? When acid react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, the color of carbonates disappear. Right now? Clear? Now tomorrow we will discuss about properties of base. What is base? What are the properties of base? Properties of base are same as the properties of acids. Property test, corrosive nature is there, reaction with metals, reaction with non-metals, reaction with carbonate, reaction with bicarbonate, all these things we there. Learn there. Now all of you write some questions related to properties of acids. Please all of you write questions. Question is, how does neutralization of carbonate with an acid different from neutralization of an oxide? Right now, next question, name the metal which displace hydrogen from acid. Second, do not displace hydrogen from acid. Next question, compounds such as glucose and ethanol containing hydrogen but are not considered acid. Why? Explain it. These questions are there. These questions answers you give it. If any problem is there, then in next video I will give you answer. Thank you.